Now we see that n into n minus 1 trial, n minus 2 trial up to 1 trial. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to n. This is, so it means the sum of this combination is n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is the maximum number of combinations, maximum number of attempt to make the right combination of locks and keys. Clear? Now we go for the next question. In certain states, automobile license plate can be displayed 3 letters followed by the 3 digits. Now, how many ways such plate can be possible if the repetition is of the letters are allowed or not allowed? Now, 3 letters followed by the digit. It means we have a 26 letters. So letters can be selected. If repetition is allowed, then it will be 26 into 26 into 26. Now, it means we are not arranging the letters, we are simple putting. So that is 26 into 26, and this is a letter, and the number is 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. That is, it means, so we have allowed that 26 in cube into 10 cube is our answer. Okay, so it means 260 power 3. This is the answer if repetition is allowed. If repetition is not allowed, it means this is the first A part, and the B part is if repetition is not allowed, then 26, 25, 24, and then 10, 9 and 8. Clear? It will become 26 into 25 into 24 into 9, 10 into 9 into 8. This is our answer. Clear? Now the next one, factorial notation. So what do you mean by the factorial notation? Factorial notation, see that, n factorial. Product of first and natural number can be written as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into up to n minus 1 into n. That can be written as n factorial. Okay. We read this symbol as a n factorial or factorial n. Example, 6 factorial is, it means we are go up to the 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 up to 1, not up to 0 or minus. Next one, that is n factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into up to n minus 1 into n. So see here, this can be written as n minus 1 factorial into n also. So n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. Now, substitute n equal to 1. We get a 0 factorial equal to 1. That is important when you learn this. 0 factorial is equal to 1. Now, give the one question to you, one puzzle. See, use 5 zeros of any math operator, you can get a 120 answer. See here, 0 factorial, 0 factorial, 0 factorial, 0 factorial का भी factorial. It means we use 0 factorial, 0 factorial, 0 factorial this, and the 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 2. If 5 factorial, that is at 120. That is an important, very tricky question. Okay, that is a puzzle. Okay, I think everyone understood and enjoyed this puzzle. Now we go for the another one. Combinations. Committee of 2 students is constituted from the group of 3 students. We take a 2 student to make a committee. How many different committees can be formed? Now, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2. This is a combination. Now, how many combinations they form? 3 combinations. Clear? Now, combination is a selection by made taking sum of all of number of objects irrespective their arrangement. We don't require the arrangements. The number of all combination and distinct objects taken are at a time is denoted by NCR. Clear? Now, next one. Number of all combination of and distinct object taken are is given in the form given by the following formula. That is NCR. NCR is n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial, where r is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to n. क्लियर कि r कभी भी बड़ा नहीं होगा n से, r हमेशा n से छोटा रहेगा या फिर बराबर होगा. नेक्स्ट important is the sum of all the combination of n distinct objects taken r at a time is given by the following formula. Clear? Now NCN n factorial upon n factorial into n minus n factorial, that is n factorial upon n factorial into n, that is equal to 1. Now NC0, that is again equal to 1. NCX equal to NCY, that is an important one. You can write down this one also. NCX equal to NCY is equal to x equal to y, where or x plus y is equal to n. I think you understand. Now NCR is equal to NCN minus R. This is the formula. Now again NCR is equal to NCR minus 1 n plus 1 CR. Now we do the one thing. We prove the last one, fifth one. NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR. How? We see that NCR can be written as n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial plus n factorial upon n minus r minus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial. I think you understand. Now we take a common, this is the LHS, we taken n factorial. Now here 1 upon n minus r factorial into r factorial plus n minus r minus 1. It means we can write down r minus plus 1 into n minus r factorial into r minus 1 factorial. Or we can write down here r minus 1 factorial. So here we can take a common upon n minus r factorial into r minus 1 factorial. In bracket we can write down 1 by r minus plus 1 upon n minus r plus 1. We take LCM, then it will be n minus r factorial, r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 plus r divided by r into n minus r plus 1. Now r is cancelled out. Now upstairs is there n into n plus 1, n factorial into n plus 1. So this can be written as, the final answer is that is n plus 1 factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial, which can be written as n plus 1 cr plus 1. Okay, I think everyone understood. Thank you for this. Okay, in the next lecture will come soon. Okay, then bye bye everyone. Thank you for that.